We now have the ability to type in pre-existing text boxes. So you see here I've already got a template loaded and I've already loaded some data. But in this layout, you can see I have a text box here above this. So if I hover, you can see there's the text box. Now, previously, this text box would just be a placeholder that you could use once you've exported. However, now we've given the ability to, add some information in here. So I can write, it's already suggesting that I write something interesting about the data. I could write whatever I want in here. It might be some notes about what I'm going to do with this slide once I've exported. The other thing is you can edit text placeholders that contain the question text or the table name. Now, the only time you can't edit one of those things is if it also includes base information or SIG testing information. So you see here, this text box has base information in it. So when if I was to try and change the question wording here, I can't actually edit that, but I can edit the table name because it's in its own text placeholder. So maybe I want to shorten that. Just coming down to a different question. I think I've got a layout in here that has the question text on its own. Yeah, there we go. So you can see if the question text is on its own, I can actually edit that. So if you want to have the ability to edit the question text within the platform itself, just make sure it's not in the same box as the base information. And yeah, the most important thing to note about this is you can't change the properties within the platform. That's because we are taking whatever properties this text box has from the layout that you've uploaded. So, if this was centered and bold and font size 15, that's what it would look like when we export it. But I'll show you this. Yeah, so there's the text, and you can see it's font railway. It was middle 12 and so on. So if I actually go to the slide master, you'll see it's exactly the same. Railway 12 and so on. Let's come out of there again. I'll just show you the one where we changed the question text. We deleted the Q1B or whatever it was, but you can see this text box is actually using a different font compared to this one, and that's purely because in the slide master, this is where we're getting the information from.